They need a flip. Oh.
That's pretty cool.
Huh?
Looks like they'll go for a while. That's pretty cool. Yep.
Yeah.
He's been in there a long time. Look, thinking, what's going on? That was classic. This might have been the best time they had in the whole time.
Yeah. I told her to jump.
Is he chilling again? It's got me feel like feeling weightless.
Yeah.
And then trying to stand up.
Now this is like getting seasick or something.
Yeah. This is the one that you post on Facebook because they won't. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, they will.
No, they won't.
She'll do this in a heartbeat.
No.
She can't wait to post this one.
Her cap came on.
She said, wait a minute. She was counting.
I know. That's good stuff.